Representative Mosbrucker, you're sponsoring a bill to establish a new protocol for law enforcement when responding to cases involving missing Indigenous women. How are these cases currently handled?
Well, the point of the bill is to, this started with House Bill 2951 a couple years ago, and it asked the State Patrol, which did an incredible job, of touring the state of Washington and asking the tribal members, any tribe, it was open to the public, every meeting, and asking them, who's missing? How are they missing? What were the circumstances before your family member was missing? Because we're hearing repeatedly that there's large amounts of Native American missing women, children, and men as well, from reservations, from Washington State. And they told me over and over, Earth Feather Sovereign's an amazing champion doing that work, and literally beating the drum and saying, you have to listen to us because our family members are gone and we need help. So what she did is we toured the eight cities, the 8 places, and we listened. There were over 300 members, family members, for 4.5 hours that talked to the governor's office representative, myself, and Captain Monica Alexander in Yakima, for example, and just told us 3.5 hours of heartbreaking testimony about how their loved ones just turned up missing, and how were they looking, how are we trying to find them. So on this tour, we asked State Patrol, tribal police, city police, and said, what do you do if somebody's missing? What are your first 10 steps? And sadly, those results were different. The answers were different. Some were uploaded into systems, some weren't, and they felt like they didn't have help with this. So House Bill 2951 is being passed in other states now, which is great, because this is not a Washington problem. This is a nationwide problem. And this next bill, the 1713 that we're talking about now, that one is the steps, the next steps, the 2.0, if you will, to make sure that we're actually taking action to immediately start looking for these Native American missing people. It's heartbreaking work, and we're trying to move forward as fast as possible. We don't want to wait until the State Patrol reports out in June of 2019. We know answers, we know ways we can fix and help now, today.